Welcome back guys, Crypto4Life channel. Today I would like to show you just local updates for Aptos USDT trading pair with my custom indicator set. Let's dive in. Alright guys, so this initiation accumulation pump model, absolutely relevant since October 2022. So yes, if you tracked my previous videos, you know how to work with that model, and absolutely all levels are relevant and still legit. So after listing, we use initiation accumulation pump model, totally free educational video you can find in my Telegram channel. So we drop it down to the OK zone to buy and didn't test the best zone to buy. So imagine here's the October 2022 listing, drop to OK zone to buy in December, made this great move around 566%. Then since January 2023 from let's check the $20.40. We drop it down and take a look, hold the line at 38 level by FIB, bounce, form the actual highs, drop it down again, sweep liquidity of October 2023, but didn't test again the 0.5 level by FIB. Should we drop to $4.13 or $3.39 now? I don't think so. Because of timing, because of seasonality, sooner or later, I think we will see the main altcoin season. The money will inflow into altcoins and in Aptos. Also, now it looks like we start form just a basic triangle, global basic triangle. So what we can draw, for example, by body candles. So if it's a line chart, we always just cut noise, all that wicks. And we just trade in triangle, just a basic triangle. And I think spring 2025 will be so bullish. We will trade. So the drop and the maximum capitulation can be, for example, around here. When? It's hard to say. So it can be, or now we can hold the line. So we got one touch, second touch. We can hold the line, for example, at $8.34 or even drop to $7.50. But the lowest point now it's $6.04, for example. It's around 0.23 by FIB. Then we start climbing up, retest, and going higher. So just a basic triangle, if it's a triangle, right? Let's go back to the candles, delete these lines. And the target sooner or later, guys, I think, yes, we will sweep the actual highs. So that's it. Now we try and hold the line exactly at 27 block. This zone, usually it's for fixation profit. So if you bought it here, you made the right decision, and you could fix the profit 165% without initial deposit. That's it, guys. So if we go back to months time frame, now there is no gaps to drop and close. So basically, this was a full fill. One full fill, and the second one we sweep liquidity. Now nothing. So this is just a initiation, accumulation, and should be the pump model. What looks strange? Why the Aptos co-founder and CEO steps down exactly now? So co-founder the firm in 2021, he would stay on the board as strategic advisor. But why he stepped down now? For me, it's like really strange, because if you're in the project since 2021 and exactly before this main success of this project, they got a lot of partnership, and before that, I free on the market when everybody will celebrate the Aptos performs during the altcoin season. For me, I don't want to blame anyone. For me, it looks like the one of the CEO stepped down because it looks like, I repeat, because they got some insider traders, and he don't want to be the part of upcoming moves. For example, the price will move like this one. And during that time period, you can sell your tokens. And nobody will tell you you're the insider trader because you are inside a team. No. And when the price will go down, everybody started complaining and blame the team. So, oh, you dumped the price, blah, 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 all that stuff. But this guy is out in the right time. So they accumulated a lot of coins since 2022, and after 3 years, they can put the price by marketing, by algorithm higher, and distribute their bags, and nobody will tell you, oh, the team dumped the coins. So it looks like this one. Why you step back from the project which you build, and it's really great, phenomenal, successful project. It's hard to say why. Next unlock for Aptos will be in January 12th. So it will be unlocked at 11 million tokens, 1% of total supply. So it will be around 50%. This one, unlock it. Basically, it's good. Now capitalization is 5 billion. FDV 10 billion. So guys, you have to understand that gains, I think, limited. So we can't go, of course, just in theory, right, to 200 billion market capitalization. Can we go? Yes, it's everything possible, right? But this is a supply which will be after unlocks of January. So take a look, the price, $10 with unlocked, it will be 5.6 billion capitalization. And with $20, it's going to be 11 billion 340 millions, right? So it's not a big deal for the project like this one, definitely. That's why I think we can go even higher. For example, to $50. It's realistic price targets. So $50, it's only 28 billion. I say only because last cycle, a lot of projects, brand new one, like a Polkadot, like many other tokens. Let's check the DOT. So you remember the hype around DOT at that time. It was a capitalization of 54 billion market cap. DOT. Now the Aptos, it's like a brand new trending token. And I already explained to you, most likely we can close at least 50% of this week. After listing, it so often happen, right? So when we get some fundamental project, we can hide the FIB and you will be impressed. But take a look, if we use just monthly and count a monthly candle and count only this week, so $53 is 0.5 level by FIB. So 53, it's 30 billion market cap. Still 20 billion market capitalization lower than the market cap of Polkadot previous cycle. Of course, I'm not comparing the Polkadot and Aptos like a project. I just compare the hype, brand new tokens during the altcoin season. So take a look there, $63, 35 billion capitalization, 111. I'm not sure about 66 billion. So $100, 56. So almost the same like Polkadot last cycle. So just in case, guys, but be careful with your expectations, guys. And now let's take a look on a weekly time frame with my customer set. Here, this is distribution on a weekly. This was distribution, and now no accumulation, nothing on a weekly time frame. This is a hope. So definitely this is not a FRIA. So a FRIA, it was here. So at 1937, but I remind you guys, most likely we're gonna sweep that actual highs. Capitulation for Aptos if we will drop again inside, not again like this one, like it was in February, inside accumulation zone on a weekly. So it can be the drop to $4 again. I don't know what should happen. So the Aptos will drop to $4 again, but guys, everything possible. Now it's a hope, just a hope zone for Aptos. Take a look, the money inflow, money power. Here's the money inflow, money outflow, RSI, MACD bearish divergence, money outflow. So it looks strange, right? Why and who distribute their tokens now before the altcoin season. So looks like would be good to see the money inflow again. It's hard to say based on what we should drop. So I remind you, if it's triangle. So I remind you, if it's a triangle, yes, the zones can be $7 and $6 to test the line chart support. Now no new money inflow into Aptos. Trade on, take a look. It was a signal to sell, buy back. Now no new signal to buy or buy back because we use weekly time frame, zones of investment. Take a look here. We tested a fundamental value of this token till penny, this one. So it's magic, right? So we drop it down exactly to fundamental value of this token in August. Now, I repeat, we can test the buy line. Buy line on a weekly, now it's $5.69. Daily time frame, it's a little bit higher. It's $7.23. Most likely we're gonna test this one. Fundamental value on the daily, it's $5.42. So I think we will just test $7.30 and bounce. So it's gonna be the most positive case scenario. All targets and my idea I explained to you. I hope you like this video. If you like to trade at my customer set, what showed in this video, just write me DM, subscribe channel, hit the like button, hit the notification button. Don't forget to join my Telegram channel. See you next time, guys.